Okay. So what do you want to do next?
My pillows, guys. Because it's done.
Okay, now we're going to make the car. Okay, ready. So let's see what they say. How they inform us. You can turn the page. Oopsie, one page right there.
That's the mouse.
We already finished that. We already finished that. We already finished that. Okay, cool. Now, first we need the big blue piece. Do you see it? Cool.
Nice.
And move this over here.
Actually,
Next we need a small red piece, small blue piece, and a small green piece. Do you want to search for this red one and I'll search with you? There we go. Let's see which. Hey! Is that it? Is this one it? Christopher. Christopher. This one? Okay, now we need this blue piece. And let's see. They want you, oh, perfect. Is that right? Let's see. This is the back, this is the front. Oh, they want it 2 over. So right over here. You did it! Oh my goodness, he found the pieces by himself. Cool. Now we need a blue piece, just like that one. That has 2 holes. Is that one it? Cool. Yay! Cool.
Bobby, I can show Kenza how to.
You can show Kenza how to do this. You're right. You're getting so good at this.
This is so amazing.
It's amazing. Okay. So
This is amazing.
now we need number 3. So part number 3 is we need a black piece with 4 holes.
No, that's it.
You see?
Hey, this is okay.
That has 1 hole. Does this one have 4? Yes? Okay. That goes on top of the red. It's very tricky. See this right piece? This piece? You fix it, you snap it into there. We can do it together.
Except it's a 5-piece.
Oh, it snapped.
That's
Cool.
a 5-piece.
Okay, are you ready for the next page?
Yes, I'm the other piece. Oh, that's so hard, Matt.
Hard. Okay, now you need 2 small pieces. A blue long circle one and a black one. Do you have that one? Good.
Hey, cool.
Thank you. And they want you to put on the side here. So on the front, they want you to put in here, in this part right here. Blue, and then blue. This one? This right here. Blue. And then snap it. Good. And now 2 black ones. Okay? And let's go in here, like this. 1 snap. Okay, and then other snap. Inside that hole. Okay, now they need a long green piece with lots of holes. Which one is that? Perfect. And then you put it here, see? Like that. Can you push that in there? Perfect. And then another one. Oh, now you need a gray piece, just like this. Perfect. And you put that in here. Nice. Hey, we finished this step number 6. Next page. Page.
Let's get a big one.
Number 7. Blue pieces. Perfect. You were fast. You like that. You're fast. Oh, actually, before you do that, they want you to put some little gray pieces inside in these 2 holes. Perfect. Now they want you to put these 2 black holes. The gray, so black ones now. See, just right here, like that. And then, here you go. That one, and then now, right. So now we snap it. Whoopsie. I'll get that in a second. So now this one right here, they want you to snap this one like this. Can you push that? See, like this? Snap. Ooh, cool. Now snap it. Whoopsie.
Ice.
There you go. Okay, ready? Wow. So now you put that one on this side right here. Uh-oh, you need a... Any more blue pieces like that? Oh, there you go. Okay, so now Christopher. Like that. Maybe that's where the other black piece goes. On the floor. Okay. Ready? Okay, so now we need to put this black piece right here. Actually,
Oh, that's so.
this part
That's
is,
so tricky.
this one is tricky. This one right here. Here we go. There you go. We push that one in there, and then we push this one right here. Can you push that? Perfect. Snap. Cool. So now they want these 2 blue pieces in here and these holes right there. Let's see. What are you getting, Christopher? Ready? Okay. So now they want this one here. Okay. There. Oh. Maybe this goes here. There you go. Snap.
Oh.
Stop him. Is that right? Okay. And then, does that one go there? Nope. None there yet. Okay. We're all finished with this page. Ready? Turn the page.